Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, when you open your Google Adsense account, you are getting a notification with we encourage you to publish your seller information in the Google sellers.json file. Visit the account to review your current visibility. Friend, you need to click on the action to solve this problem. In the seller information visibility area, you need to select the transparent and paste your website address in the box. It will auto save your setting. You need to wait a few seconds. After it, you need to refresh your page. Our problem is solved. You need to go back and refresh the page again. I want to refresh the page again to check again if the problem is solved. Our problem is solved correctly. Hope you will also fix this problem using this method. Thanks for watching my video. If you are a new user, please like my video and share the video with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching my video.